So during my search, I saw that you guys wanted to see a black liner with a red lip. So that's what we're gonna do today. So first I'm gonna line my lips, the products that I'm using, or some LA Color lip and liners that I have left over. So first I'm gonna line my lips with the black. I'm slightly overlining the upper lip. Here's what we're working with. Looks like I have a mustache. Now I'm taking a red liner and I'm gonna go within the black lip liner. Using a makeup wipe to pull away some of that black that gets on the red. Now I'm taking the red lipstick and applying it. Taking a brush so that I can go and clean up anything that I don't like. And this is the finished look. I like it, it looks good, it's different. I didn't watch any other tutorials on how to do this, so this is my impression on how to do it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you thought, and please subscribe using your pinky, your pointer, or your thumb and show me some love. Thank you for watching.